Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Stuart Taylor, and today we're looking at what we can learn from one of history's greatest leaders, Winston Churchill. Known for his leadership during some of Britain's darkest hours during World War II, Churchill's strategies, speeches and resilience helped to change the destiny of the free world. So what can we learn from Churchill's approach to leadership and decision making? Lesson 1. The power of inspirational leadership. Winston Churchill is often celebrated for his ability to inspire and lead people through incredibly challenging times, particularly the Second World War. Churchill's speeches during the war, such as his famous "We shall fight on the beaches" speech, are prime examples of how he inspired a nation under siege. His ability to rally the British people, maintain morale and project confidence in the face of adversity was crucial to the Allied war effort. Inspirational leadership can be the key to keeping your team motivated and focused, especially during tough times. Churchill's approach teaches us the importance of communicating a clear and motivating vision, instilling confidence in your team. Use your leadership and inspire resilience and determination in your team, particularly when facing challenges or setbacks. Lesson 2. Strategic thinking and planning. Churchill was a master strategist, known for his ability to see the big picture and plan for both immediate and long-term objectives. During World War II, Churchill was deeply involved in the strategic planning of military operations, often working closely with his generals to craft strategies that would outmaneuver the Axis powers. His strategic foresight, such as prioritising the Mediterranean campaign, played a crucial role in the eventual Allied victory. Strategic thinking and effective planning are essential to achieving success. Churchill's emphasis on the importance of planning teaches us that while plans may need to change, the process of planning itself is crucial for understanding the challenges and opportunities ahead. Develop a strategic plan for your project that considers both the short-term goals and the long-term objectives, and be prepared to adapt as circumstances change. Lesson 3. Effective communication and clarity. Churchill was a master communicator, known for his ability to articulate complex ideas clearly and persuasively. His speeches were not only inspirational, but also clear and direct. He understood the power of words and used them to convey the gravity of situations, rally support, and lay out the path forward. His communication was always focused on clarity, ensuring that his messages were understood by everyone, from government officials to ordinary citizens. When running a project, clear and effective communication is essential for ensuring that everyone understands the project's goals, challenges, and progress. Churchill's approach teaches us the importance of communicating in a way that's both concise and impactful. Ensure that your communication is clear, direct, and tailored to the audience, whether you're addressing your team, stakeholders, or clients. And yes, that does sometimes mean avoiding project management or corporate jargon and acronyms. When communicating, don't just fill space with your words. Understand what transformation or action you want from your audience. For example, when I remind you to subscribe to the channel, it's because I know that hitting the subscribe button is relatively unchallenging for you, but it's easily overlooked. Yet it remains the best way to ensure you don't miss future videos like the upcoming one on lessons we can learn from Mark Zuckerberg's approach. So subscribe so you don't miss it. Lesson 4. Resilience and determination. Churchill's resilience and determination in the face of adversity were essential aspects of his leadership during the war, and these traits are just as important when delivering projects. Churchill's resilience was most famously demonstrated during the Blitz, when London was bombed nightly by the German Luftwaffe. Despite the destruction, Churchill remained resolute, often walking through the bombed-out streets and visiting shelters to reassure and encourage his people. His unyielding spirit became a symbol of British determination. In project management, resilience and determination are critical for pushing through challenges and maintaining progress. Churchill's unwavering resolve teaches us the importance of staying the course, even when faced with significant obstacles. Encourage your team to remain resilient in the face of adversity and lead by example by demonstrating determination and a commitment to overcoming challenges. Lesson 5. Decisive leadership and taking responsibility. Churchill was known for his decisive leadership and his willingness to take responsibility for difficult decisions, which are crucial qualities when delivering change. Throughout his career, Churchill made numerous difficult decisions. While not all of his decisions were popular, Churchill took responsibility for them and stood by his choices, understanding that decisive action was necessary for leadership. In project management, decisive leadership and a willingness to take responsibility are key to steering your project to success. Churchill's leadership teaches us the importance of taking tough decisions and being accountable for their outcomes. Lead your project with confidence, make decisions based on the best available information, and take responsibility for the results, whether they're successes or setbacks. Lesson 6. Learning from failure and persistence. Churchill experienced numerous setbacks in his career, but his ability to learn from failure and persist is one of the reasons he's so revered. Before his success as a wartime leader, Churchill faced political failures such as the Gallipoli campaign during the First World War, which was a disaster. Despite this, he learned from his mistakes, continued to serve in various capacities, and ultimately led Britain to victory in World War II. Learning from failure and maintaining persistence are crucial for long-term success. Churchill's ability to rebound from setbacks teaches us the importance of viewing failures as learning opportunities and continuing to push forward with enthusiasm. Encourage your team to embrace failure as part of the learning process and to capture the details in their lessons learnt logs so that they and future project managers can have necessary reminders to prevent repeating mistakes in the future. Winston Churchill teaches us about the importance of inspirational leadership, strategic thinking, resilience, effective communication, and decisive leadership, all whilst learning from failure. These are transferable skills, so whether you're managing a small project or leading a major initiative, they can help to guide you to success, just as they helped Churchill to lead Britain through some of its darkest days. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and let me know in the comments if any of these lessons resonated with you. And remember, a combination of resilience, strategy, and decisive leadership can lead to powerful and lasting success. Good luck.